Hi artists, it's Mrs. RT, the art teacher from the Angelo School. For today's project, we're going to be talking about animation. Animation is the visual art of making a motion picture from a series of still drawings. So we take a lot of our drawings that we're going to do on the computer today and turn them into a small movie or animation. If you've never done any computer or digital art before, that's okay. I'm going to walk you through a couple simple steps and show you how to use the website called Brush Ninja that we'll be using today to make our animation. So the link to this website will also be on the Schoology page with a couple examples of simple animations. If you want to try it out just with simple colors and lines for today, you can play around with the different options and tools that they have. If you've done some digital art or want to get a little more advanced with it, you could make characters or some other kind of drawing for your animation as well. So this is the website Brush Ninja. You'll see at the top here we have a lot of different tools. I usually start with the paintbrush tool, and you can see all the different colors here. If there's a color that you want that you don't see here, you can click this little splash here and pick out a different color. You can also see the different sizes here. So I'm going to start just with some basic lines and color. We'll make some rainbow designs on here, and I will show you how to make different frames. So in animation, you want all these different frames to make your movie or animation. So if you want to add a blank white frame, you would press the add button, and that will give you a blank white frame. If you want to draw over the same frame you just made, you can press this little duplicate button here, and it will copy the same thing you already have. I'm going to change the color and add another layer. Duplicate again, and you'll see that each frame just gives you a different layer. Change the color again and make another line. If you made, say, that pink line and you decide you didn't like it, you could scroll up and press the undo button, and it will take off the last line that you made, and then you could try it again. Now I'm going to show you how that one will play. It's just 4 basic slides. You can see each frame has a different layer. And when you're ready, you can press the play button and it will play your animation. You can change the speed here. You could make it go really fast, really slow, or anywhere in between. And you can also use some of these other tools. If you wanted to move a line, you could click this arrow tool in this stack, and you could select an object, and that will let you move it around your frame. If there was one piece that you wanted to delete as well, you could press the trash can button. If there's a piece that you wanted to erase, you could just click on white or whatever the background color is and just go over it, draw over it, and it will make it look like you are erasing it. And with this, you could try it out just with colors and lines to start, adding different frames. You want to make sure you have at least 3 or 4 frames so that it will make it into a movie. If you draw all on one slide, it will just be a flat image. If you're drawing like a character or a person, something like that, on each frame you could change them up a little bit with the different colors or erasing tools to make it look like they're moving throughout the animation. So you can take some time and play around with the animation, try the different tools, and play the different videos that you make. I'm going to show you how to save it now, and I'm also going to have the directions typed out on how to save in Schoology as well. So if you are done with your animation, stop playing it. You can come up to the Save button up at the top of Brush Ninja. You can title your animation here. You want to save as animated GIF, the second option, the second blue rectangle. That one's really important, especially if you want to be able to upload it to the portfolio page on Schoology. so that you can share it with your teachers and classmates. So title it here. Second blue rectangle, save as animated GIF. It will take a minute to process. Might take a little bit longer depending on how many frames you have. Once you see this, you press the blue rectangle, download animated GIF, and then you'll see it down here on the bottom of the screen. This is where you can press that up arrow, show in folder, and then you can drag and drop it to your desktop or whatever folder you want to save it in. So if you need to see that again, you can scroll back through the video and watch it. I will also have the saving directions typed out on the Schoology page with some other animation examples. And I hope you guys take some time, test out the animations, save them. After you save them to the computer, make sure you upload them to your class portfolio page so that you can share it with your classmates and your teacher. And I hope you had a good time with your animation, especially if it's something really new to you. You can explore it, you can play around on the website and save your animation videos. So stay creative, and I'll see you next time. Can't wait to see your animations.